Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove linoleum flooring, or lino as we call it in short terms. First of all, I'll have a respirator mask. Put this on. I have a paint scraper, a craft knife to cut the lino into squares, and a pretty average warehouse DIY trade heat gun. So first of all, as you can see, I've already removed a little bit to show you how to do this. So what I do is first get my craft knife, cut it into manageable squares. I'll come down and across. Perfect. I'll then try and scrape get a little bit of an edge. I'll put my heat gun on, about 10 to 15 centimeters away from the lino, just to melt that glue. Helps the lino come up. Easy as. Comes off in squares like that. As you can see, the yellow glue underneath. Once that dries, you can either put a sander over it or put a leveling compound over that and then wait for that to dry, and then you can do what you need to do. So I'll be back once I show you that, but that took me all of about 30 seconds to do, so the easy way to do it.